Hey there, it's Jennifer. I'm here for a story with you today. On this day, it's kind of snowy out there, and it looks like that's going to hang around for a few more days. So today's story is just for fun with a little bit of snow. It's called The Blizzard by John Rocco. There's the snow coming down. There we go. The first flake fell right before recess or outside time. It was followed by many, many more. The wind whipped up and school closed early. Yay! By the time my sister and I got home, the snow was already over our boots. The snow continued to fall through the night, and I thought it would never stop. The next morning, the snowdrifts were so high, we couldn't even open our front doors. So we went out through the window instead. And that says, be careful. Noticing this one said Tuesday, and back here on the school, this must have been the first page. And there it says Monday. So here's Tuesday. Look at all that snow. Woof! We laughed as we sank deep into the frozen powder. But walking was hard. It was like trying to move through white quicksand. Every few steps I had to step and stop and rest. It was even too deep for our sled. We need sled dogs. When we went back inside, we were cold, wet, and tired. Welcome back, explorers. We made camp by the wood stove, and our feet tingled as we sipped on hot cocoa made with milk. On the third day, look, there's Wednesday, and icicles and snow. On the third day, Dad shoveled the driveway so he could get the car. And when the snow plows came, we dug out tunnels and secret rooms under the snow. An igloo can keep you warm in sub-zero temperatures. What's an igloo? Oh, there it is. It's Thursday. By day 4, the plow still had not come. I wondered if we'd ever see the grass again. Inside, things got tense as our food started to run out. I knew we couldn't survive much longer on cocoa made with water. We need to go to the store, but the roads are not even plowed, and we certainly can't walk through this. There's the next one, Friday. Looks like it's being made with raisins. On day 5, I realized it was going to be up to me to take action. I was the only one who had memorized the survival guide. I was the only one who knew what equipment was required. I wonder what his plan is going to be. Oh, look at that. I was the only one light enough to walk on top of the snow. Saturday, it says milk, bread, eggs. There's a little star that says candy bar. On day 6, I made a list. I prepared the sled. Checked in, look at this, there's little footsteps that go through. Checked in with the neighbors. Says we helped build a snowman over here. And then this opens up. Let's see what's behind here. Okay. And then I set off. As usual, my usual landmarks were covered by snowdrifts. This person says candles. This person says cat food. And I managed to check in with the neighbors on my long journey. See, here's some more directions here. Oh, it looks like this goes further here. So we've got that part where we checked in with the neighbors and walked around, went the wrong way. Down here it says, help build a snow. We got that one. Climbed the lookout over here. More walking here. It says made an angel. More walking. Oh, explored an igloo. Over here it says joined a snowball fight. There's Bill's Market over here, and down here it says I made it. It's coffee, peanut butter. Okay. At last, I reached the store. I was tired, hungry, and chilled to the bone, but I couldn't think about myself. I was on a mission. You're going to carry all those bags yourself? Yes, sir, I've got my sled. Yes, he's on his way back now. Looks like she's talking on the telephone. On the return trip, I raced to drop off the groceries before the sun went down. Grateful smiles and cheers gave me the energy I needed to make it back home. Wow. Meow. Let me put this a little closer so you can see. Look at that. It says, woof. And greeting him there. That night, we all had hot cocoa made with milk, and it had never tasted better. It was a perilous journey, I said, but there was something else that was still needed. Snowplows. It's a Sunday. It looked as though we would see civilization again after all. Guess we'll have to go back to school tomorrow. Boo. Thank heavens. I was going a little bit stir crazy. There's the snowplow. We had survived the blizzard. This page is just a little bit about a note there. It says the blizzard of 1978. Now, I was kind of young at that time, and I remember a little bit about that. And this was created with that in memory, I guess. It says, based on my experience as a 10-year-old boy in that blizzard and how I got to the store over a mile from my house with tennis rackets tied to my feet. I wonder if you've been enjoying the snow. What kinds of things have you been doing? Have you been making snowballs, snow forts, finding new tracks in the snow, making your own tracks? It's kind of fun to have some snow out there for a few days. I wonder what things you would do to help the people around you. Our person in this story made it to the grocery store to get some supplies. I wonder what kind of supplies you would get. Would you get hot cocoa? I wonder. This book really was mostly for fun, but an invitation for you to go and enjoy being with your family. Enjoy a little bit of the snow while we have it. And we'll see you soon.